tornado warning. Nope.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Columbiana County and east central Ohio, northeastern Jefferson, Ohio County and east central Ohio, Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania, western Venango County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, western Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, Brooke County in northern West Virginia, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line from 21 miles north of Greenville to over East Liverpool, or along a line from 30 miles north of Charlottesville to over East Liverpool, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact. Expect considerable County in western Pennsylvania, Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, Brooke County in northern West Virginia, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line from 21 miles north of Greenville to over East Liverpool, or along the line from 30 miles north of Elwood City, Ambridge, and Homaker, Mendota. Anyone outdoors should move to shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing widespread damage and winds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for portions of east central Ohio, Pennsylvania, and the northern panhandle of West Virginia. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Beaver Falls, Grove City, Franklin, Columbiana, Monica, East Palestine, Sykesville, Wellsville, Economy, Elwood City, Ambridge, and Homaker, Mendota. Anyone outdoors should move to shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing widespread damage and winds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for portions of east central Ohio, Pennsylvania, and the northern panhandle of West Virginia. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county, Columbiana, Ohio, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Lawrence, Mercer, and Venango.
Wait! The 268 went off! Holy shit! How? What the fuck? Wait. Wait! Yo! Yo! Yes! Yes!